Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage, Kingswood today. Yeah, really lashed out today, spending the money. £1.49. I actually bought it to see if I could use it with one of my galvanic batteries. But we'll see if it works properly anyway. Looks like it needs LR44. Can we see that? Yeah, there we are, LR44, which I happen to have plenty of. Hoping it's just one. That's sort of double locked in place. Does this? Oh, it's still got the tag in there. This one's not been used. I'll leave that out. Yeah, got one in there. Oh, yeah, it's got one in there, but it's not in very good condition. So that's never ever been used from the looks of it. Well, I happen to have plenty. Oh, had thrown it on the floor. I can't reach it. Right, got it. Okay, R44 in there. Why did it have that on there then? That seems a bit excessive. We're working. Yeah, LR44, AG13, 1.5 volts, which I can get from a couple of galvanic cells. So I'll probably see if I can rig this up to run off galvanic cells. What is the time? That's, oh, that's interesting. Looks like the little button for the alarm setting is missing. But you could adjust that by jamming something in there and turning it. Anyway, let's just set the clock. Seven minutes past 2 at the moment. Okay. I'll see if I've got something that can go in there and turn that. I don't think. No, I can't do it with me screwdriver. I have quite a few small screwdrivers in these plastic boxes that the catches have broken on, so I've got bits of tape over them. So I think I might be doing a bit of 3D printing, something to tidy that up. I mean, that one's actually got a stand in it. But yeah, I might just rig something up to hold all of these. Anyway, that one is a little star drive. If we can get it in focus, there we are. And that does fit in there. Turn it that way, it says. Oh, it works. Do that again. Turn it off. Oh, what a little beauty. £1.49. Stick it down there so we can see where it is. 6. But we'll leave it off. We don't have any need for it. Those don't do anything, they're just for looks. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. £1.49. I let them round it up to £1.50 for the charity. Cost me an extra penny. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Charity shop, gold or garbage, Kingswood. About 7 charity shops there, I think. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.